Hello students. Today we are going to solve one more problem from optics, and this question basically asked in the IIT-JAM 2017. Okay, and it's a part of polarization. Okay, so in that question, what they have given, you have a source of unpolarized light. You have a source of unpolarized light. Its intensity is I naught. Okay, this unpolarized light basically incident at polarizer P1. Okay, at polarizer P1. So after passing through this light, you have a quarter wave plate also. Quarter wave plate means lambda by 4 plate. Also they have given that the optic axis of quarter wave plate is an angle of 45 degree with respect to polarization axis of P1. Okay. Then further there is another polarizer, that is P2. Okay. The polarization axis of P2 basically perpendicular to P1. Okay, so if the polarization axis of P1 is like in this direction, vertical direction, of course, polarization axis of P2 will be in horizontal direction. Okay, so you have to calculate the intensity, the ratio of I naught. I naught means incident light intensity divided by I. I is what? The light that is emerging from P2. So I have to calculate this I naught by I. So to solve this question, first we have to calculate what? We have to calculate that intensity of emerging ray from P2 or outcoming ray. Okay. So as we know from Malus law, when that light having intensity I naught, unpolarized light, incident on polarizer, then what will happen? The outcome or that emerging ray will be plane polarized. It will be plane polarized and its intensity will be half of initial value. So if the intensity of unpolarized light is I naught, then this polarized light will have intensity that is I naught by 2. Now this ray will have polarization axis like this, and it is making incident in quarter wave plate. At what angle? At 45 degree. So obviously the outgoing ray will be what? It will be circularly polarized light without changing any intensity. So you'll basically get circularly polarized light here. This is not unpolarized, this is circularly polarized light. With intensity will be how much? I naught by 2. Okay. Now you have a circularly polarized light. Its plane of oscillation is like circle, right? But when this ray striking at P2, P2 will only allow that component that will be how much? That will be along the direction of polarization axis. So again, if you apply Malus law for this circularly plane polarized light also, what will get? The intensity of outgoing ray that will be basically I naught by 4. Half, it will be simply half of initial value. So we got I, that is I naught by 4. Now you can find. So I equals to I naught by 4. So it means I naught by I, that will be basically 4. So answer will be 4. So concept is simple. Also unpolarized light incident on polarizer. The intensity will be I naught by 2 with plane polarized light. When it make incident on quarter wave plate at 45 degree angle, then that ray will be converted from plane polarized to circularly polarized light without changing intensity. That will be I naught by 2. Now for circularly polarized light, you will have that plane of oscillation that is in whole circle, but this polarizer P2 only allow that component parallel to polarization axis. So further that intensity will become half of initial value, it will be I naught by 4 by using simple Malus law. So now from this equation, I will get I equals to I naught by 4. It means I naught by I, that will be 4. So really interesting question. Okay. So correct answer is 4. Thank you.